Hi, today we'll be learning about decimal models, and in this video we'll be learning about the hundredths place. Let's get started. So let's learn about decimal models and about hundredths place and how we would write it in decimal form. So I have this model right here, the square model, and it's divided into 100 little tiny squares. There's 10 going downwards and there's 10 going this way. So 10 times 10 equals 100. So there is 100 little squares. And you can see that some of the squares are shaded white and some of them are not. And we need to figure out how much of this square is shaded white, and we're going to write it in decimal form. So one row going down is equal to 10. So we need to keep on adding 10 as we move forward this way. So let's add 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. But here we're not going to do 70 because it's not fully shaded in. It's only shaded in a little way, not even half. So let's count each individual square. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is 4 individual squares, and there's 60 squares in here. So we need to combine those two numbers, 60 and 4, and we need to write it in decimal form, which is going to be 0 and 64 hundredths. I took the 6 from 60 and put it in the tenths place. I took the 4 from 4 and then I put it in the hundredths place, and I get a total answer of 0 and 64. Let's move on to our next problem. Our next problem is, well, I don't know. I'm not giving you the answer. We need to figure this out together. So we have the square again, and it's shaded. Some of it is shaded white, so we need to count it again. So 10 going down, we need to add 10 to the number we already have as we move forward. So 10, add 10 to 10, and then we get 20. So we don't have quite filled in here. We only have one of it. So we just count it as an individual. So now I have 20 and 1, and we need to combine it, and we'll get the answer of 0 and 21 hundredths. I took the 2 from 20 and I put it in the tenths place. And I took the 1 and I put it in the hundredths place. And my answer is going to be 0 and 21. Let's move on. So this is our last and final problem. And as you can see, I have two square models, and some of it is like this one is fully filled in, and this one is not quite. So this model that's fully filled in is called one whole. And this model, we need to still count it as we did before. So let's count this model. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 50 is only shaded in. We need to count this as an individual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We need to combine one whole and 50 and 8. We're going to combine all those three numbers, and we need to figure out an answer in decimal form. Our answer is going to be 1 and 58. I took the 1 and I put it in the ones place. I took the 5 from 50, and I put it in the tenths place, and I took the 8 and I put it in the hundredths place. So our answer is going to be 1 and 58 hundredths. Let's get started. Sorry. Let's end. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share this video to your friends and family who need help learning the skill. And I hope you learned how to see decimal form in model form. So, bye.